How to fix Battlefield 6 unable to connect to EA servers. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can bypass this kind of issue if you're encountering this problem on EA servers not connecting on your Battlefield 6 game. So before executing further troubleshooting steps, the very main thing or the very first thing that you want to have to do is of course to check if there is no ongoing maintenance on EA games. Pull up your preferred web browser and type in EA servers. Choose on the very first one. Now, under services, make sure that both EA App and EA Play is currently online. And then under games, make sure as well that Battlefield 6 is online. If it is offline, then you do not need to do further troubleshooting steps because they are undergoing maintenance. Now, what you want to have to do next is to pull up your CMD by going into your Windows search, type in CMD, right click, and make sure to run this as an administrator. Choose on yes. Now, these are going to be the commands that you need to execute for you to be able to clear cache directly from the game. It's going to be ipconfig space flush DNS, and then followed by natsh space winsock space reset. Now, once you've done this, make sure to restart your PC before relaunching the game. And that's how you fix Battlefield 6 not connecting into EA servers.